In the world of commercial real estate, understanding a building's true physical condition is crucial. That's where we come in. Welcome to 𝗏𝗏𝗏 Home Inspection, where professional, thorough, and reliable commercial property inspections are our specialty. We are proud CCPIA certified commercial property inspectors. Our training and services align with the international standards of practice for inspecting commercial properties, commonly known as the 𝗡𝗏𝗏. This ensures you receive the comprehensive documentation necessary to effectively manage your property's assets and turn uncertainties into calculated success. And our strict code of ethics guarantees a true third-party opinion. Choosing us means choosing peace of mind. We focus on critical building systems, including the HVAC, plumbing, electrical, roofing, and other accessible areas. You can expect an inventory of systems and an overview of building conditions to make your next move. With our certified inspectors, meticulous methods, and dedication to customer satisfaction, we are the team you can trust. Our reputation is built on the value we deliver to our clients. Ensure your investment is a safe one. Contact us today to schedule your inspection.